Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change Steam email address. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to right up corner and then just go to account details, and then you're gonna select the manage email preferences and change email address. And now you just want to text an account verification code to number, and then you get a code, and this is how you change your email address. And that's it. That's it, guys. That's all what you have to do. Of course, I recommend having the your phone number here so you won't get hacked at all. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day, everybody. And if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yep, goodbye.